Hello, friends, how are you all? I hope all of you are doing very well wherever you are. Today, I'm going to take you to a low mountain range near of my home. It is called Eifel. It is around 40-minute car drive from my home. And yes, I'm not going that fast because it is just a time lapse. That is how we do it in editing. So, some people are afraid that I'm going too fast. So as I said, this is a travel vlog and I'm just taking you to a hilly area. It is a very touristic place. It is well known for not for family holidays. People come here for their medical treatments, for just to rehab sort of, from wellness vacations, for kids vacations, for riding lessons, everything. It is famous for all type of holidays, all type of vacations, and it is very beautiful area as you can already see. And I am taking you today there because look, weather is so fine. When there will be winters, then it is totally brown and a little bit gray weather, and it is not so good for travel vlogs. So that is why I'm making more travel vlogs nowadays because of the weather. Are not many people there. It is safe for during this corona pandemic, and I'm taking precautions. So thank you for your concern, those who feel concerned. And yeah, this is a very touristic place. As I said, it is around 749-meter high, and is in western Germany, and it is also in the eastern Belgium. So its range extends to Belgium also. It is very near to Luxembourg, northern Netherlands, and in from my home Aachen, as I said. So it's very convenient place to go. You can go there by train or you can go by car. There is also an Eifel National Park. You can see right now here many so much greenery, but earlier there used to be mining here, and so many trees were already cut, and there was actually famine. People didn't have food. They didn't eat anything except potato and bread was also made of potato. So they were very malnourished and not very rich people, and there was always war going on. French soldiers used to demand money when they used to go from through these villages. So they were suffering so much poverty, but then people showed solidarity of the other parts of Germany, and they created funds, and they again planted trees. They again made it worth living. Infrastructure was improved. All this happened in 19th century. So in 1890 something, they really made it. Infrastructure was improved over the years, and for the afforestation was done. So again, this place has become very beautiful and very rich. There are many farmhouses here, and people earn a lot of through the tourism also, because there are many vacation homes. So if you come here for holidays, you can either take that bed and breakfast homes, Airbnb, or you can also take hotels here. There are many hotels here. You can have, yeah, their thermal bath, spas, golf. Here holidaying is has so many options. They have so many lakes also, because actually this area was volcanic activities also. It had used to have 11,000 years ago there was a volcano, and there are many lakes here. Climate is very mild, like in winters it is moderate winter, and in summer it is not that hot. It never get that heat waves sort of, because of its height. Weather is really good here, and most important, air is has least amount of chemicals here. So air is so pure. So that is why people who want are suffering from illnesses, they are come here for wellness vacations. They have also that I already did a vlog on Ruhr. That lake also happens to be in this region. Snow is also not that much in this region. So I have parked my car here at one parking lot, and today I will be now I will be just showing you the field. This is a field where the cows also graze, not in this field, in a nearby field. And here people can play football. Kids sometimes come here to play football. And through this track I want to show you some area where the shooting practices goes on. This is a tree with flowers. Actually these are called red berries, Johannisbeeren I think they are called. So this is a forest, but there are no animals here. People, it is safe here. There are no animals. Earlier there used to be wolf also here, but now it is safe. And this is a shooting range. Here people practice arrow shooting. Today there is no arrow shooting practice going on. That is why I can come here. Otherwise I don't come here when this arrow shooting practice is going on. It's not safe. They put snow signboards that please don't come here. This is a map of the region, and it is actually called experience area. It is Erlebnis region because it is experience to all the rivers, all the trekking areas. People who are nature lovers now, it is a paradise for them because there are so much thing to hike. People especially come here on by car, park the car, and then come cover the whole area on their bicycle. It's so beautiful. And look, when cows eat that type of grass, that is why quality of milk here is also very good. So those are the windmills here. As I said, main source of electricity here in Germany is green energy. So this is just a trekking area. People are normally here. That is why very fit because they really walk a lot. They will just have two sticks in their hand for balance, who are old people, and they will actually walk faster than me because they are used to that much type of walking. School trips come, people come with children and just go for a long track of just walking. So as you can see, it narrow, but yeah, it is very very good, very very clean air, very very nice experience it is. This is a bumblebee on one flower. I just captured it and I liked it a lot. Actually, they are also planning to do one car racing here. It will be called Eiffel Grand Prix, but it had to be held in July, but they changed it and rescheduled it to sometime later in the year. Yeah, and yeah, it is a very beautiful place. I hope you liked today's vlog, and if you did, please hit the like button, share it with your family and friends, and please do write to me in the comment box your opinion and suggestions, and do subscribe to my channel if you haven't done already. I will see you in my next video. Till then, stay happy, stay healthy, and stay blessed. Bye bye.